extremely important, mainly because of the temperature. We serve Guinness at 6 degrees Celsius, so it's in between 42 and 43 Fahrenheit. If we change this temperature, 50% of the flavor changes. So it's really important that you check the glass before you start pouring. So look for a nice, cool glass, room temperature, it's fine, but not warm, okay? So then we want to change the temperature while pouring. Then of course clean, it goes without saying. Please do check for trace of lipstick anyway before you go ahead. You don't want to pour a pint into a dirty glass, especially in your own pint of Guinness, so be very careful. And finally, as you can imagine, we use Guinness glasses. Now of course we love to pour a pint of Guinness into a branded glass. We use Guinness glasses mainly because of the shape. So as you can notice, this is what we call the tulip-shaped glass. This shape helps the nitrogen to reach the top of the glass easily. So you're going to see when you pour your pint how it works in terms of glasses. And finally, it's a branded glass. So we're going to use the brand, and in particular the golden harp, as a point of reference to pour the pint, okay? And it's two main steps to pour a perfect pint of Guinness. First 3/4, and you have to let it settle. Once it's settled, you can top it up. So I'm just going to explain you how to pour the first bit so that you all can go ahead, okay? You put your glass under the top at 45 degrees angle, alright? Small golden harp just under the nozzle. And make sure that you don't stick it to the nozzle. Just hold it down a bit. Handle all the way down straight away. Now this is extremely important when you're pouring a pint of Guinness, because in this way you're releasing the gases. If you do this halfway, you will only have Guinness running to the top and no gas. This means that you want to have a nice creamy head at the top of your pint. So in order to have that iconic creamy head, make sure that you put the handle all the way down. No need to push it, which is fine, okay? You start pouring until the Guinness reaches the bottom of the word Guinness, so you're gonna see it in the glass. When you're getting there, as you're filling it in, just straighten it up and keep on going until you get almost at the top of the golden harp, so halfway to the golden harp, okay? When you're in the middle of the harp there, you can close your hand. It's really easy, just make sure when you close your hand that you don't push it away from you, because it works in both ways. So if you do this, you'll keep on pouring, okay? So just stop before, bring it back into its vertical position, okay? So you can all come this side. You have 1 over here and 4 over there, so those two that are working, simply pour your first 3/4 and then you can just let it settle in front of you, okay?